Easy left-right bend. Recommended for zigzag LED strips. Done. Cuttable silicone milky diffuser. 60 to 70% light transmittance. Excellent light diffusion. Ideal for curved recessed linear lighting in tight spaces. Easy up-down bend. After mounting the LED strip, installing the diffuser cover. Clean dotless light. Plaster and installations. Flush mount look. Explore more flexible aluminum LED track channels.